I am curious whether you would prefer a guy to fuck you as hard as they can or they think that you want to be fucked until they get to a near miss and have to stop, or whether they take it steady and go for as long as you both go for.
Mm. I think it's much better when the guy starts slow, you know. So in the beginning, maybe, you know, when you start penetrating, you don't start with friction right away. I like when, you know, to have some really slow, deep sex, and that also gets the genitals kind of warmed up, and that way you build up your stamina. I prefer that a lot more than, I mean, if you're already horny and ready, I mean, I don't know, that can happen. Then you can start fucking harder right away, but it's really nice to start slow. I mean, also when you don't have a goal, then what's the rush anyway?
Mm. Yeah, and from my perspective, it feels a little bit more like safe in some way, or when the guy is not going too close to coming, but instead, you know, I'm happy with, you know, getting fucked a little bit, and if you need some time as a guy, you know, to take more breaks, and maybe, you know, we can do something else. Maybe you want me to suck your cock, or maybe, you know, lick your ass, or something like that as a little break, and then go back into it. So not to push it to go really into fucking really hard and then forgetting about how horny you get, and getting really close, and then you need to stop really quickly. That's a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, of course that's the better option, but it's also good to kind of pace it a little bit and take it slow when you start.